Welcome this video. Even home, tall, a story, and that story bring adding get. It's the first impression for visitors see the boundary that define your world. The decoration that add chaptering of your property. Today we explored beautiful gate design idea for modern minimalism to timeless elegant to help you find the perfect enhance for your home. The power of negate in home design. A gate is just about security. It's a symbol of style, pride, and personal. It can enhance your cover pair, reference your test, and build seamless with your architecture. Whether it's a great drive away, get a charm, gardening enhance, or a sleep, get the right design can elevate your outdoor soft landscape. Modern gate design for those who love clean line. Simple modern gate design are also about minimalism and geometric balance. Thanks to harmonium and various smoking frame and make finish such shade for black and bring. Their gate often use powered steel illuminate often during and water resisting with a refined contemporary look. Same modern gate functional automate systemed, space safe, and perfect for fabbing home to enhance their sleep look. LED light, the base of edge, then do only versatile at night, but add a pattern that make your enhance stood out. Woodgate design. Woodgate have timeless charm, warm and white. Then bring a scene of enhance to any entrance. Then pick with gardening or rustic charm home. Popular choice dark pen, real wood edge for those and rich palette you can choose for various style, harmonium and a modern look aesthetic. Versatile palette with iron access for a classic look. For ad, long make such as a wood the trend again and UV rays. You can also combine wood with metal frame for excellent while main interest as original beauty. A wood gate do not just make and enhance its create and connect, become your home and natural. Iron gate design. Its elegance and durability are that sleep iron gate narrative to go off style.